This is NAVITEL T787 4G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So firstly, you will need to download and install the third-party app, free third-party app that is called Turbo VPN. So let me do exactly that. I'll just go ahead and download and install it. So once the app is ready, we can go ahead and launch it, obviously. Now we will need to wait for the app to be loaded, so tap at the green continue button, then wait for a little bit. And skip this ad. Now in order to connect your tablet to VPN, you gotta... Finally, so now in order to connect your tablet to VPN, you gotta tap at the caret icon over there and wait for the rabbit to do its magic. Now you are connected to VPN. While at it, you can change the server, country, or even the city that you are connected to. So tap over there, then choose the server you would like to reconnect your tablet to. And, well, here you go. Now let me waste another 15 minutes to skip this ad. Oh god, I love $80 tablets. And, well, finally, in order to disconnect from VPN, just tap at this cross icon over there, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.